Y'all caught me sitting down. What's up, guys? Broken Prophet here for another Hoodoo Unleashed short. And with that being said, I just want to talk about the fact that a lot of us, nowadays, we don't like to talk on the phone. It's just an unfortunate byproduct of society. We don't like to talk on the phone anymore. We prefer to text or email and things like that. And, I know they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, and I'm definitely an old dog. Definitely. But I want to let you guys know I partner with Keen, KEEN.com. If you go to www.keen.com, create you an account, then you'll be able to chat with me or text with me for a reading. Because I refuse to do email readings. I just refuse. I want to talk to you guys in real time. And if you don't like to talk on the phone, or if you are out of the country, you don't have access to Cash App or Venmo, then you can go to King.com. We can text or email. And if I'm not online, because if you look, it'll tell you whether I'm live or if I'm not live. You'll be able to go on there, schedule a chat or a text reading with me, and then we'll go from there. All right? This old dog is trying to learn some new tricks. But in the meantime, learn to talk to people. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. And thank you for tuning into my shorts. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.